Do you ever worry that your bones will get weaker, your memory will fade, or that you won't be able to sleep? A lot of older people feel the same way. But here's something you might not know. Chia seeds, which are small gifts from nature, can help your health a lot. Don't let their little size mislead you. They are amazing little things that are full of nutrients that can benefit your bones, heart, memory, and even your sleep. Let's see how they fit into your life every day. Tip 1. Calcium and magnesium make bones stronger. First, let's talk about your bones. This superfood has a lot of calcium and magnesium, two nutrients that are important for your bones as you get older. Adding 1 tablespoon to your morning yogurt or muesli is an easy way to give your bones the support they need every day. Think of it as giving your bones a soft embrace. Tip 2. Omega-3s are good for your heart. Let's now talk about your heart, which is just as crucial as your bones. These little things are one of the greatest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are good for your heart because they keep it operating properly. If you don't like fish oil capsules, you don't have to take them. Simply mix a tablespoon into a glass of juice or water. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and then consume. It's easy, safe, and good for your heart. Tip 3. Better digestion and blood sugar control. Now let's talk about how your body breaks down food and how much energy it gives you. A lot of older people have problems with constipation or unexpected rises in blood sugar. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which means they assist your digestion move along and keep your blood sugar constant. A teaspoon of this on veggies or in soup at lunch can make your meals simpler to digest and more balanced. Tip 4. Sleep better and remember things better. Finally, let's talk about how sleep and memory are related. These small seeds have tryptophan in them, which helps your body generate serotonin and melatonin. These chemicals help you relax and sleep. Serotonin also helps with memory and concentrate, which is a great plus. So, chia is good for both your thinking and your sleep. A tiny chia pudding mixed with warm milk, or almond or oat milk if you choose, can be a calming snack before bed to help you sleep better. So, just quickly go over what we just spoke about. Chia has calcium and magnesium that help bones. It has omega-3s that protect your heart. It helps digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable with fiber. It might even help you sleep better and remember things better. Just a tablespoon or 2 a day can do all of this. I want to know which of these tips you will attempt first. Will you put them in breakfast, lunch, or make a soothing custard for dinner? Please provide your opinions in the comments section. If you want more specific guidance and information, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Every week, we provide you fresh health recommendations just for seniors to help you stay healthy, safe, and independent.